happy weekend. Guys, let's drink hot tea. Okay, guys, let's drink hot tea. Very hot. Guys, happy weekend. Happy weekend. Your weekend. How are you spending your weekend, guys? I hope you are spending it in a delicious and conscious way. Hey, Chimoma, my good God. Fasting I've started. It's not easy for fasting people for this period. Even my friend is fasting also. Guys, the tea is hot. Very hot. It's hot, eh? Guys, today's Saturday, isn't it? I'm not going anywhere today. Today, I'm using today to rest. Although I've cleaned, that one is normal work for the weekend for me. I've cleaned my bathroom, mopped the home, clean everywhere we can do for now. So now is resting time. What I'm eating this morning, what I'm taking this morning as a food is tea. After my tea, then my yogurt. My yogurt. That is all for now, for this morning. That's my yogurt. This yogurt. There is not much. Let me check the sugar percentage on it because me, I don't like sugar. Zuccheri. .6 gram. 3.6 gram the sugar, which is not much, just little. 3 gram, 3.6 gram sugar is inside the yogurt. There is one I always love. I don't have it in this our normal supermarket. It's only I always get that one in Aerospin, no sugar. But the rest ones, a lot of sugar. But this one is less sugar, lesser sugar, 3.6 grams. So I get it's okay. It's okay comparing to the rest ones. Less sugar. Okay, guys. See you later. Let me go and enjoy my tea and my yogurt. Okay. See you guys later. Enjoy your weekend. Hot.